Hello and welcome back to the Urban Cook. What I've got for you today is like a little review thing, and full disclaimer, I'm not sponsored in any way with this product. I wasn't given it and I had to buy it. So what I've got is this. You can see that. It's a Russell Hobbs. I do like Russell Hobbs stuff. Desire Matte Black 3-in-1 hand blender, and I only got this the other day. I haven't used it, and so I'm going to do a quick unboxing. Oh, look at that. Russell Hobbs, thank you. 50 to 60, £50 wine voucher. I'm going to do that. So that's that part. We've got our this delivery note, and this I found on. I got it on eBay. It was $42.95. I don't even see that. Anyway, about 43 quid. Instruction manual. Single whisk. Put that over there. This looks like the end attachment. It's like a gear reduction thing for the motor. Oh, this is really nice. Nice stainless steel, nice cutter on the bottom, nice little blending attachment. Nice measuring jug for making like smoothies or juices. Or what I'm going to do with this, actually, I'm going to do a cooking as well, and I'm going to make a salsa in this. That over there. It's a nice little chopping. Nice blade. Oh, sprung loaded. So that's good. And looks like the actual motor part. So this is good. 2-speed. So that's all good. Like that. Just get rid of all this. Yeah, still short leads on these. I think I'm going to have to get a socket to put up here, I think. So we've got this part. This is our motor. Got our attachment. Goes on here. And we can put our single whisk in. I like that, it's nice. Take that off. Put in our blender. That's really nice, I like that. And on this part, put on this one, and you put obviously your whatever you're going to chop in there. And put that in, and then whiz away and chop it up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get some ingredients out. I'm going to make a frittata and a salsa dip for a frittata. So I'll get the ingredients out. I'm going to have a little chop up, and we'll be back in a minute. Okay, so for the frittata, I've got half a dozen eggs. I've got some little new potatoes here. I've got onion, red and yellow pepper, some chives, salt and pepper, olive oil, And for the salsa, I've got some tomatoes and red onion, garlic, some roasted red peppers and some lime juice. So we'll get all this prepped up and we'll come back. Okay, so we're back. We've got our chopped up peppers and our onions. We've got our salsa done. We've got our eggs beaten up. So I'm just going to slice these potatoes up. We'll get some olive oil in the pan and get these on. Okay, so potatoes are done. Yeah, onions and peppers that were done in the blender. Give that a couple of minutes and we'll carry on. Okay, so we're back. Going to move this in a little bit because this pan is a bit too big for frittatas, so I just ordered an oven pan, so obviously when I put this in I'm going to take this handle off and then put it in the oven. So the next frittata you see me do, I'll have the proper pan for it. So anyway, pepper, salt, I've changed it up a little bit, a bit of cheese on top of this. Get our whisked eggs that we've done with the blender. And go with the rest of the cheese on top of this. Give that a few minutes and then we'll I'm going to take the handle off, get that in the oven, and then when we come back this will be done and I'll bring it out and I'll show you. So see you soon. Okay, so there we have it. A tortilla with with peppers, onions, potatoes, eggs and chives, and our salsa dip with garlic, roasted red peppers, onions, and all that good stuff. So all this was done with the Russell Hobbs hand blender, and I'm really impressed with it, especially the making up the salsa. Really good, beating up the eggs, the chopping down of all the onions and peppers and all that good stuff. So it's just a little review cooking video, and thank you very much for watching. It's going to be tasty because I've already had a little bit of it, so it's good. So see you next time. Take it easy, stay safe, and thank you. Cheers guys, bye.